everyone. I just wanted to record this beautiful symphony of frogs, mostly, I think. Eva and my daughter Eva and Raphael are behind. I am actually earthing. I am She's very happy squealing. I've been doing more research on earthing and grounding and just with my illness, and I think it's great for so many people, and they say at least 12 minutes a day, equaling I think 80 minutes in the week. It's really an anti-inflammatory. If you can just be, hey guys, barefoot in the grass or even touching a tree. Hey Eva. It actually thins your blood, so you actually have to be a little careful if you're on blood thinner, just from something I was watching. And just really, I believe I'm so bad at memorizing sciencey things, but just the anti-inflammatory, the way it thins the thicker blood, which is not good. Anti-inflammatory, so many other good things. So I think I'm almost at 12 minutes. I'm actually making a conscious effort. Here's Raphael and Eva, by the way, going off. There's a playground that way. It's really beautiful. It was hot earlier, but now for me, it's nicer because it's cooled off to I believe 70s now, and the sun was like 90 or something today. But I want to leave a link to this video I watched. It's actually a keto website. I used to do keto, but he's a functional doctor. He's talking about research done by another doctor and other research just about the amazing health benefits of just grounding and how we kind of have lost touch of that, And there's grounding sandals. Katie with Weathers from an ASMR told me about those a while back. But they have these grounding sandals, earthing sandals, or if you wear leather shoes and walk outside or on concrete, anything that's conductive, so it's giving you negative ions or electrons. I'm terrible at memorizing that, but all I know is I was like, oh my gosh, anti-inflammatory. My illness, my dis-ease is all about inflammatory, and has pretty strong attacks on my body. And I honestly feel so much less anxious too. And just happier and more energized. So I'm going to stop talking for a moment so we can just listen to these beautiful frogs for a moment. And I'm going to catch up with my husband and daughter. You can see a lot of little gnats. I'm going to make it a little darker, just... other beautiful way of earthing, of course, put the flashlight, I don't think you can see, is hands on a tree trunk, because that is connected down to the ground, of course. I think I just stepped on some mud, which is fine. That is the other beautiful way of earthing. So, I will leave you with that. Have a beautiful day, guys, and I will see you probably in another video next week about the full solar eclipse and new moon in Aries.